Where is your data going? Imagine the internet as a massive neighborhood of digital mailboxes. Every piece of information you send, like this yellow data packet, needs a destination. To ensure it arrives correctly, your computer uses an IP address, which acts just like your digital return address. Most connections rely on IPv4, which organizes numbers into 4 segments called octets, each ranging from 0 to 255. As the internet grows, we have shifted to IPv6, which uses a much longer hexadecimal format to support the billions of devices now online. When you request data, your computer routes that packet directly through the network to the specific address it needs to find. It is a precise system that keeps our global network connected because every device has an address. How does data find you? Every time you browse the web, your information travels across the vast global internet to reach your specific device. Think of this like your mailing address at home. You have a city to identify the general area and a street name and number to find your exact front door. An IP address works the same way, split into 2 parts, a network section and a host section. For example, in this address, the first part is your network neighborhood, while the final digit points directly to your device. To ensure data lands on your screen, a tool called a subnet mask acts like a filter to distinguish your specific device from the rest of the local network. This process works in layers, narrowing the path from the global scale down to your specific router and finally to you. It is a brilliant system where one address is split into 2 halves to deliver information exactly where you need it. Wait, why does your phone have 2 IP addresses? Imagine your home or office as a building. The outside world knows you by a single public IP address, which acts like the building's main street address. Inside, however, every device gets its own unique private IP address, similar to individual room numbers, like room 101, 102, or 103. When you send data out, your device starts with its internal private address. As the packet hits the router at the front door, the address is swapped to your public one, so the internet knows where to send the reply. This process is called network address translation, or NAT, which mathematically maps your internal private address to your external public address. Think of your router as a specialized front door that manages all traffic flowing between your private home network and the vast internet cloud. Ultimately, your public IP connects you to the entire internet, while your private IP only manages the devices connected inside your home.